Today, we're going to proceed with a new chapter, Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production. So, what and all the strategies we can make use to production in the food industries? So, why we need food? Food gives us energy, right? Food is any substance that is provided in order to meet the body nutritional requirement. So, different types of revolution are there. So, for example, Blue Revolution, Green Revolution, Red Revolution, Silver Fiber Revolution, White Revolution are based on the food we classified. So, Blue Revolution includes fish production, Green Revolution includes food grains, that means agriculture, Red Revolution, meat production, Silver Fiber Revolution, that is cotton production, and White Revolution is full of milk and dairy production. So with this help of the food, we are classified into different types of revolutions. With the recent population explosion, our world has experienced in the last century, one of the major problems we face is of food shortage. To tackle this problem, science came up with many solutions such as plant breeding, tissue culture, animal husbandry, etc. Let us take a look at what ways in which we can enhance the food productions. First, we proceed a topic about animal husbandry. What is animal husbandry? The agricultural practice of breeding and raising livestock is called animal husbandry. It is a science of managing and caring of farm animals by human beings. It is practiced to raise livestock for promoting desirable traits in animals for human welfare. So the livestock reared are cow, buffaloes, pigs, horse, sheep, camels, goat, etc. So these are the livestock which we rear in animal husbandry field. It is a branch of agriculture concerned with rearing, breeding and feeding animals to obtain useful products. Animals are basically reared for various products like meat, milk and as manual labor in farms and for egg. So the sources are meat, milk and egg. So the meat we get from the animal, it includes cattle, sheep, goat, etc. And milk we get from the animal, cow, buffalo, camels, goats, etc. As manual labor in farm, these included horses, bull and yaks. For egg, the poultry birds like hen, geese, duck, etc. Estimates predict that more than 70% of the world livestock population is in India and China. So China is the first population and India is the second highly populated country in the world. However, their contribution to the world produce only in 25%. Thus, the productivity per unit is very low. Hence, it is essential to think about the adoption usage of new technologies and practice to improve the yields and profitability. So, let us proceed. Animal husbandry. So, in this picture, you can see there is sheep, there is hen, there is a cow, honeybee, and worms and cows. So, all these cows, will comes under cattle rearing process. The birds comes under poultry farming process. And this honeybee included in apiculture process. Here you can see some of the fish that included in pisciculture process. And these worms are in the process called, the culturing of silkworm is called sericulture. Okay, so these are the types of animal husbandry we can able to see. Management of farm and farm animals. So how do we manage this? Okay, so here you can see in animal husbandry there are many types like poultry farming, like cattle rearing, like apiculture, like pisciculture, like sericulture. Okay, so how we can manage this? That we going to proceed. Farm management is the collective term for various management and various strategies and methods that are employed to keep a farm productive and profitable. Even among firm, the process will vary depending on the type of farming business involved and overall the size of the operation. The farm management is based on the how many square feet you can able to develop the farm. So it depends upon the one person. Okay, so it depends upon the area, depends upon the animal, depends upon the profit also. Based on the profit will be to the economic needs. Farm management is essential for farmland owner to long-term capital appreciation. Any farmland should increase in value and produce annual income to landowners. But with progressive farm management, landowners can expect much higher profitability. So, what are all the steps which is carried over in animal husbandry are feeding, breeding, maintaining hygiene, controlling disease, storage and transport, marketing of animal product. So, these are the different steps of animal husbandry. First, we proceed with dairy farm management. Most common dairy animal include cow, buffalo, sheep, and goat. Milk and milk products are rich in fat, protein, carbohydrate, vitamin A, B, D, and E, minerals like calcium and phosphorus. So, certain points should be taken care of dairy farm. So, vitamin A, B, D, and E are classified as fat soluble vitamin and water soluble vitamins too. Good breeds of an animal should be selected as quality and quantity of product depend upon the breed of an animal. An animal must be housed well and fed properly. Good sanitary condition and hygienic environment is to be maintained in the cattle farm as well as the milking area. Hygiene of cattle handlers is also important. Okay. Cattle should be vaccinated against disease and regular checkup should be maintained. It is the management of the animals for milk and milk products so that can be further used for human consumption. So good quality breed with high potential of milk yield is being considered for the management. Other criteria of choosing the breed is disease resistant variety too. So this will be dairy farm management of buffalo. Okay, so what are all the thing we were discussed in dairy farm management. So here you can see in the dairy farm management of buffalo. First, the basic requirement, an animal housing that is shed, selection of buffalo, transport of animal, daily care, feeding, health care, common disease, calf rearing, dung and urine management. So these are all the things which you were can able to do in buffalo management process, that is dairy farm management. Okay, and you can also able to manage the reproductive process also. You should not you should find a very good breed to reproduce. So that is also the main process which include in the dairy farm management of buffalo. Important factors necessary to enhance the yield promotion from animals. Suitable breed, clean shelter, good quality of appropriate food, vaccination and other relevant medical care. So these are the essential factor which is necessary to enhance the yield from animals. Next we are going to proceed poultry farm management. So it is a management of domesticated fowl for food and eggs. Fowl which are free of disease are selected for breeding. Okay, the spelling of fowl is FOWLS. The common diseases of poultry include diarrhea, upper respiratory disease, and lameness, etc. So these diseases are the common and which can able to overcome by the management. Okay, who is handling this poultry farming? So the owner should be able to manage to come out from diseases. They can able to sort out the disease and how they can recover it. Poultry farming is the rearing of domesticated birds like fowl, chicken, and ducks, turkey, and geese. Birds contain more protein compared to fat. Eggs laid by some birds are also consumed. Poultry farming requires less space and investment. The birds are fed with cereal, millet oil cake, fish and meat meal, minerals and green vegetables, fish silage, protein concentrate. So these are the food which we can require for the day-to-day life to get energy.